Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the feature will work reliably. First, make sure your device model supports haptic touch and update the system software. Outdated firmware prevents options from appearing. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings, then go to accessibility. This is the control center for touch features. You should also remove thick screen protectors and have at least 20% battery. These factors influence sensor responsiveness and the quality of the haptic feedback you'll enable. You now enable haptic touch and fine-tune how it feels. In accessibility, tap touch, then haptic touch, choose the duration option that matches your preference. Fast for quick actions, slow for intentional presses. Make sure to use the provided sample area to test. This confirms the setting immediately. Next, exit back to Settings, open Sounds and Haptics, and increase System Haptics so tactile feedback feels consistent across apps. This combination controls both activation timing and the perceived strength of the vibration. You're almost done. Complete the setup in no one solid troubleshooting step. Restart the device to ensure the new touch timing and haptic intensity apply everywhere. If haptic touch doesn't respond, toggle it off then on again and retest the sample area. That often clears temporary sensor glitches. Make sure gestures aren't interfering by temporarily disabling other touch shortcuts. If problems persist, reset all settings as a last resort, but back up your data first so you don't lose anything important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.